Quick question. If I asked you right now for your Steuernummer, would you accidentally give me your Steuer-ID? If yes, you're not alone. This is one of the most common tax confusions in Germany, and it's the reason many people like you get stuck with Elster, tax returns, and even simple registration forms. In this video, I'm going to explain in simple English the difference between Steuer-ID and Steuernummer. In German, that's Steuernummer. Where to find it in Germany, online and offline, and how to get it if you don't have it already, okay? I'll keep it very simple and practical and step by step. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Ricky Ross, Amazon and eBay seller. I've been selling on both platforms for some years now, and I do mentor quite a few people on both platforms. If you're interested, my email will be in the description down below. Now let's jump into the video. Come along. Let's start with the golden rule. Your Steuer-ID, also called the IdNr, that's identification number, is your personal tax identification number. It is permanent. It stays with you long term. So when you arrive in Germany as a foreigner, the first thing you always do is you go to the rat house and register. Once you register, you get a letter from the Finanzamt that comes by post to your house. That letter will have your identification number or your Steuer-ID, okay? So it stays with you long term. It never changes. On the other hand, your Steuernummer is your tax number assigned by your local Finanzamt. It is linked to the tax office responsible for you, and it can change when your responsible Finanzamt changes also. So think of it like this. Steuer-ID is you as a person. Steuernummer is your file number at the Finanzamt. Here's an easy shortcut. If a form says IdNr/Steuer-ID, use the permanent number. Okay, that's your permanent number. If it says Steuernummer, that's the tax office number. That's the number the Finanzamt has assigned to you. Okay, I want to do a slight comparison with other countries. So, for example, if you're from the USA, your Steuer-ID would be similar to your social security number. And if you're from the UK, the Steuer-ID would be similar to the national insurance number. That's your NINO, I think. Then if you're from Nigeria, it'll be similar to your NIN number. If you're from Pakistan, it will be similar to your CNIC number. And if you're from India, it's similar to your Aadhaar number. That's AADHAAR number. And if you're from Kenya, that's similar to your national ID number. And from Ghana, it's similar to Ghana card number. If you're from South Africa, that would be your South African ID number. Now, here's a quick warning, please. It's not a perfect one-to-one match in every country, because some countries use a different ID for everything. And some countries also have a separate tax number, okay? But this comparison helps you understand what the German Steuer-ID is all about, or what it's like. Now, let's go ahead and answer the big question. Where can you get or find your Steuernummer and Steuer-ID? One of the most searched questions is, where can I find my Steuernummer in Germany online and offline. So I'm going to answer it this way. If you've ever filed income tax return in Germany, meaning that you've gotten a job and you filed income tax return, more than likely you've seen your Steuernummer. So it would come to you in a document called the Einkommensteuerbescheid. That's Einkommensteuerbescheid certificate. That's your tax assessment letter. Okay, that's a letter stating that the Finanzamt has received your income tax. So on that letter, usually on the first page at the very top, you'll find your Steuernummer. Second, any official Finanzamt correspondence. If the Finanzamt ever wrote to you about taxes, that letter often shows your Steuernummer. And then thirdly, if you're self-employed, then definitely you've gotten your Steuernummer. Once you have your Steuernummer, it appears on official correspondence and sometimes in your business tax communication with the Finanzamt. Now, about online, if you have an Elster account and you filed before, your tax details are inside your account context. But honestly, the fastest way is still checking your last Finanzamt letter first. If you can't find any letter at all, you have two practical options. Contact your Finanzamt and ask them to confirm it, okay? Or if you still have access to your Elster that you've set up, you can log into your Elster and you will find your Steuernummer on the Elster, okay? But first, please always check the letters that you receive from the Finanzamt, or the easiest way, guys, is to just call the Finanzamt, give them your name, date of birth, or simply go there yourself, personally go there and get your Steuernummer. Okay, the other big question, where can I find the Steuer-ID, aka identification number, aka tax identification number, aka IdNr? Where can I find it? Your Steuer-ID is assigned to you as a personal tax ID number, and as I said previously in this video, when you first register as a foreigner in this country, you register with your local Finanzamt, and they usually send you a letter, and in the letter you'll find your personal tax identification number. You can also often find it on official tax documents and also on your pay slip. On your pay slip, you should be able to find or see your personal tax identification number. Now, if you've lost it, if you can't find it, for example, you could request for it again. I'm going to put a link to the website, and that is the BZST website. That's the Bundeszentralamt Steuer. So there's a form you have to fill out on that website. Fill it out and they'll send it to you. All right. So please remember, your Steuer-ID you can recover if you lose it or if you've lost it. Okay, and it's permanent. It's the same number, stays the same. Your Steuernummer or Steuernummer, you find it on Finanzamt letters, or you can ask your Finanzamt, just call them up, make an appointment, go there, and you can get your Steuernummer, okay? Please, either way, don't confuse this two numbers. Good. Now, Here's a quick bonus, guys, because I know this blocks a lot of people, or many people get blocked with this, and this has to do with the Elster. When you register for Elster, it's not instant, meaning you go to elster.de and you register to get the access to Elster. Elster doesn't work like most websites where you could just go register and get access immediately. You have to first of all fill out a few items on the Elster, and then depending on which activation you choose, I usually prefer to get what we call the certificate, and then the code is then mailed to you, to your house, by post, physical letter, and with that code you now get access into your Elster with a certificate key. So if you're waiting and thinking you did something wrong, sometimes you simply need to wait for the letter, then complete the activation. Now, why am I telling you this? Because Elster is a way for you to communicate with the Finanzamt. A lot of people tend not to know what the Elster is. So if you, for example, need your Steuernummer, you can actually go on the Elster and request or communicate right to the Finanzamt and request that number. They can communicate with you via this platform, okay? Just a bonus FYI, guys. Okay, guys, here's a quick recap. Steuer-ID, aka IdNr number, is your permanent tax number, similar to the United States Social Security number or the UK NINO number. Okay, Steuernummer is a number you get when you register your business or when you file your first income tax number, and you'll get an Einkommensteuerbescheid certificate, and you'll see your Steuernummer on there. The Steuer-ID is your permanent tax identification number that you get once you first arrive as a foreigner to Germany and you register. You will get this number sent to you. If you're a German citizen, you already get it at birth. So that's a number that stays with you forever. One more thing, the Steuernummer changes when you change region within your state. So if you're in Hamburg, you change from east to west or north to south. You can change anywhere. If you change anywhere within a region and a different Finanzamt handles that region, you get a new Steuernummer, but your Steuer-ID remains the same. Another place you can find your Steuer-ID is on your payslip. Okay, you can find it on your payslip. Just look on your payslip. It should be on there. Okay, guys, I want to make this super easy. I created a free checklist called Elster Setup plus Tax Numbers Cheat Sheet. It shows exactly where to find your Steuer-ID and Steuernummer, what to do if you don't have it, okay, or if you've lost it, and the step-by-step Elster setup process in case you need to log into the Elster and request it, okay? Comment Elster down below and I'll send it to you. Don't forget, Elster is a platform that you use to communicate with the Finanzamt. Okay, guys? So I hope I was able to clarify this different, confusing topics, guys. Please, if you still don't understand, drop your question in the comment section. I will try my best to reply to it. If you need me to make more videos on this topic, please leave your suggestion in the comment section. I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon and eBay Germany seller. And if you're interested in my mentorship, my email will be in the description down below. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As usual, it's your boy Ricky Ross. out.